B-2 spirits are screaming through the night, hunting hardened targets deep underground. But while the B-2 is doing the work today, Washington is already obsessed with tomorrow. Meet the B-21 Raider. The Pentagon just announced $4.5 billion to speed up the process of accelerating a nightmare for their rivals. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, because this changes the map. So to bring you up to speed on what just happened, the Air Force made a move, a deal with Northrop Grumman. The mission? Expand the production facility by 25%, which means only one thing, that they want this bird in the air, and that too fast. The target is 2027. Ellsworth Air Force Base is preparing the hangars. Think of it like a tech pre-order, but instead of a new iPhone, it's a flying wing designed to disappear. The United States is building the fleet meant to decide the next war before it begins. And that preparation begins with a very different kind of aircraft. Let us, of course, set aside what we think we know about bombers. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is not simply an updated version of the Northrop B-2 Spirit. It has been designed as a system at the center of a much larger network. The aircraft is built for long-range strategic missions, operations deep inside heavily defended airspace. It can carry nuclear weapons. It can also deploy conventional munitions. But the most significant change is how it operates within the battlefield. The B-21 functions as a flying data hub. It links electronic warfare systems, coordinates with autonomous aircraft, and connects multiple assets across the battlespace. So if the B-2 represented raw striking power, the B-21 represents precision, coordination, and digital control. And the timing? It definitely matters. The Middle East, as we know, remains highly volatile. The United States has been deploying Northrop B-2 Spirit missions as a signal to Tehran. Strikes on hardened sites, demonstrations of reach. The B-2 represents the aircraft shaping the present conflict. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider points toward what comes next. The message being sent is unmistakable. Hardened underground targets remain visible. Advanced air defense systems are not impenetrable. Deep penetration missions remain achievable. In Washington, planners increasingly view this era of stealth operations as enduring, not a temporary phase, but a defining feature of future warfare. A question, of course, often comes up. Is one stealth bomber enough? Well, not in today's environment. Radar systems have evolved. Potential adversaries now deploy dense networks of sensors. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider has been designed for exactly that kind of a battlefield. At its core sits a modern digital architecture. Software can be updated more easily. New capabilities can be added over time. The aircraft is also intended to be produced at scale. The United States Air Force plans to field at least 100. Not a small fleet reserved for rare missions, but a force large enough to shape global military balance. The aircraft are only a part of the story. Washington is sending a message to Beijing and Moscow, a message about investment capability and long-term military planning. Another signal is also, of course, reaching partners such as India. Recently, Christopher Landau described the earlier United States approach to China as a mistake. Too much access, too much technology shared too freely. The mood in Washington is now far more cautious. The United States wants deeper cooperation with India, joint jet engines, semiconductors, advanced defense technology. But the partnerships come with limits. India still prioritizes strategic autonomy. Washington prefers a carefully calibrated alliance. It is a delicate balance in a world defined by stealth and power. And here, of course, is the front page take. Watch the assembly lines moving tomorrow. The Northrop B-2 Spirit rules the moment. The Northrop Grumman B-21 Raider is the shadow of the decade. The United States is fighting one war while preparing for the next. The question now is, can the rest of the world keep up, or are they already flying in the B-21's shadow? Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. Is this the ultimate safeguard or a trillion-dollar gamble? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.